Vivian is here and is going to explain what are the things required for programming. Let's give him a big round of applause. Yeah.
For programming, we first need a computer and we need a text editor or IDE, integrated develop environment or margin. We need a compiler or an interpreter. We need a programming language. Even if I know the programming, we need to know the programming language. And to program, we need a person who gives the instruction, or else called as programmer. And we should know the knowledge on the programming language. Thank you.
Thank you, Vivian. So any questions here?